sample has just arrived. I have plenty of samples in here. It's in the box. It's 2 samples. There's 2 t-shirts and 2 hoodies for the pre-order drop. They finally came. So now I am happy that I get to show you. Yeah. Okay. All right. Here we go. So we have this. Boom. The first one is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about, bro. When you get a sample together and you get everything, you put it together. I mean, shit wrinkly right now, but you get the vibes. I can feel how soft this is. So. And then I also have the satin inline on the hoodie for the hair. So, you know, for the ladies who likes to, you know, they don't want to get their hair messed up. Fellas too, you know, because, you know, y'all got waves. Unfortunately, it takes me a long time to get them. So that's why I got this. One thing that I do like is the one change is that I made sure that I got the back logo as big as I wanted it. So this is the biggest that I got it right here. So normally, I was able to talk to my manufacturer. We was able to get the sizing right on the background, on the back of the hoodie, and it looks cool. On the arm, you're gonna get a patch. So for me, since it's the sample, I just got it just like this, but it's gonna be a patch on the side that's gonna say Dream Dare Do. It's gonna have the same type of structure on the first hoodie. So if you bought the first hoodie, you're gonna get that patch on the same side. And then on the other side, you also get the Bold Basics logo on this side in the same color of the orange and black, so you get that. So, and then the tips, and then the tips are going to be orange on the release version, and yeah, this is pretty cool. It's cotton. I love it. This is the second one. This is the one that right now people have been pre-ordering the most. This colorway is the one that people have been pre-ordering the most right now, and let's get into it. So this is wait. This is the Gamma Colorway. This is for y'all who's getting the Gammas next month. Well, not this month. This month. You getting the Gammas. You gonna want this. It's gonna go with it. Same structure, same layout. Couple changes, you know. Same thing on the arm. You get the logo on the arm, and then also on the release version, you're gonna get a patch, you know, on that side. And then one thing, also gotta have the satin inline for the hood. And just to show y'all a color comparison, I also have the Air Jordan Gammas. These are the original versions, same colors, same color. So you can at least see how it's gonna match when you guys get it. So yeah. So you can tell how heavy this joker is. This ain't no lightweight stuff. This is all premium, man. So let's get into the next one. All right, so these are the 2 shirts. We also have 2 shirts. These are gonna be slight heavyweight. I did get them in my size, you know. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you what I did differently on the shirts as well. Ooh, feels a little soft, like that. Got the big logo on the back. Got the Bold Basics logo on the front. On the arms, we also have the side of the arm. We have the logo on the arms. You have the logo on the arms, and then instead of putting the patch on this side, I decided to go on the lower left, you know, to give it that old champion feel. You know, when you buy the jerseys back in the day, that's where I got that inspiration from, like that, from the old champion days. Here is my other colorway. I think this one is gonna be like the low key. This is gonna be the low key, the sleeper. So many people are focused on the Gamma Colorway right now, but I think when it's all said and done, people are gonna wish that they had this one if they didn't pre-order it. Me personally, I just think this one just sets off a little more. It just sets off. It just looks better, in my opinion. Color structure wise, I love them both. I love them both. But if I had to go with one right now, is this one. Is this one. So, which one do y'all like? I like them both. Which one? Which one y'all buying? Like, which one y'all gonna pre-order? Mind you, you get the Gamma one, it goes right with the Gamma colorway. I literally made sure like I got as close as to the Gamma colorway that I could. You should have saw the first edition of the Gamma. I was completely off, but thankfully, you know, working with my friends, shout out to Sale, I was able to, you know, get that corrected quickly. So shout out to Sale for that. But these are the drops, man. If you have any questions or any, you know, anything you want to know about the brand, you want to know, check out the site, shop.boldbasics.store. You can also check me out on Instagram at boldbasicsofficial. And if you my friend on Facebook, you can just reach out to me on Facebook. You know I'll respond. So other than that, you know, these are the drops. That's the sale ends on Friday. I am still promoting the Cyber Monday sale due to Shopify being down on Monday. So now since it's down and it's back up, I'm extending it to Friday. So if you're interested in any of these products, the sale is active on the site. Go shop.